I just found this insane glitch amazing. If you put a hover pad inside of the dragon cardboard box, not that head, you'd fly around so fast. No, actually, see how fast that is? Oh, insane glitch. I'm pretty sure it works as a normal walk. I just tried this short one, because this one's shorter. Which makes it work better. But you might be able to do this regular box. I'm gonna put this for extra fun. Wherever it's pushing you, aim it that way. You can see if I go up, and then like that. So if I want to go down, I point it the same way. Okay? And then I go point it up, point it down, point it forward, point it up. Okay, but follow if you want me to keep up the glitch testing, because I'm gonna quit this after, honestly. But follow, like, subscribe to my channel if you want me to keep testing glitches. And if you want a PvP one next time, subscribe. But if you don't want a PvP one next time, subscribe but comment. Okay, anyway. Goodbye. Run! Run! Wait, let me go move. Go. Up. Boo! Anyways, my hair just started low. So I'm gonna plug it in.